Here we are, Kitty. Yes, Kitty. This was right. This water seeding did work. And here's the proof. As you can see, you can hear the water. Acid water, actually. Oh, God, it's on my face. Can you see the water right there? Yeah, you can. You can see the water right there. And as I prove my point, that the water seeding, the cloud seeding is working. And I don't know if we should be scared about this, or I don't think it's that great. And I think we should think twice of making it rain. As scientific research hasn't been done on the side effects of this cloud seeding, and this is Jay Dizzle telling you I was right, and it is scary. What do you think about this, Kitty? What do you think about this cloud seeding thing? Yeah, that's what I think too. See the proof here? Check, Jay Dizzle.